This Wednesday morning, GIFT Nifty is indicating that Nifty's last today's spectacular rebound could come to a halt, and probably, the benchmark could resume decline on any excessive strength. Blame it on profit booking as investors also remain cautious about 1. The economic growth outlook. 2. The potential impact of Trump's policies on the US economy. Our call of the day suggests that Nifty above 22,800 could be a turning point in favor of the bulls. Yes, there is a bright possibility that the rebound could last. For the day, bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme for benchmark Nifty. The positive catalysts. 1. The recent US PPI and CPI data have signaled cooling price pressures in February, giving the Federal Reserve more room to cut rates. So, all eyes will be on the FOMC outcome, to be wired on Wednesday, 19th March. The Fed is widely expected to maintain status quo amidst a cautious stance for CY 2025. 2. Gold trading firm around the $3,030 per ounce milestone is a proof of rising expectations of Federal Reserve rate cuts. 3. India's retail inflation, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, too has cooled, and this shall encourage the RBI's MPC to slash 25 BPS repo rate cut in the April review meeting. 4. WTI oil prices still sluggish near $67.30 a barrel. 5. India VIX still hovering at 13.21 area. Long story short, we expect bullish consolidation to be the preferred theme until 2nd April, as on this date plenty of new tariffs are expected to become effective. Hopefully, negotiations which are taking place turns out to be a win-win situation for all. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 695 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2535 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting oversold conditions on the daily charts, hence technical rebound quite likely. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,400 to 23,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 13.21 levels. At last check, USD INR, 26th March expiry, has slipped near 86.63. Nifty PCR, 27th March, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th March, is at 1.23. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is quite likely. That said, volatility shall persist. Nifty, CMP to 2834. Biggest make-or-break support on Nifty is placed only at 22,309 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 2650 and 2950. Bias for the day is bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 49315. Bank Nifty's biggest interweek support at 48,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday resistance is now at 49,701 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,700 and 49700. Bias for the day is bullish. Signs of bullish life seen on Dalal Street amidst plenty of short covering plus value buying scramble. Broader markets too are seen jumping out of gate, as in yesterday's trade, Nifty mid-cap plus 2.2% index, while Nifty small-cap flared up plus 2.72%. The positive takeaway was that all sectors ended in positive territory, with Bank Nifty index zooming 2% higher and the Nifty PSU Bank advancing 2.3%. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. Bajaj Finserv dropped 2% in yesterday's trade after the company announced that it will buy Allianz's 26% stake in its insurance joint ventures, JVs, with the company, for 24,180 crore rupees. 2. Shares of sugar companies were in limelight in yesterday's trade amidst expectations of a significant drop in sugar production across the top 3 states, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Uttar Pradesh. According to a PTI report, India's sugar production has fallen by 16.1% to 23.71 million tons so far in the 2024-25 season. 3. Ercon International stock price was in demand in yesterday's trade, gaining 9% after the railway firm bagged an EPC contract worth 1,096 crore rupees. Ercon's order book stood at about 22,000 crore rupees at the end of December quarter.